You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane.
Hey everyone, we're back in the kitchen and we're going to show you a very simple dish today. This is based on garlic fried rice, but this time we're going to use the kimchi that we made last time. We're going to put it in the fried rice, and also we're going to do different kimchi fried rice today. One is with shrimp, one is with pork, and one is plain. This is our go-to dish when we don't want to whip a lot of things on Sundays, so that's why we want to share it with you. So we'll start with our ingredients. Of course, we will have the rice. It's cooked rice, but it is cooked last night and then it's left dried for about 4 hours. We have the garlic and the spring onions. We have kimchi, of course, cilantro. For the different kinds of fried rice, we have shrimp, we have pork, and I think that's it. And for the toppings, we have cheese. You can use cheddar cheese. This is the green part. We separate the green part and the white part of the green onion. You'll see later why. We will mince the garlic here. That's a lot of garlic, about 2 heads of garlic, but it's gonna make our fried rice so good. Chop the kimchi here. It's a sturdy bowl, so I do it here. Just want to make sure that all the ingredients are small and tiny.
My favorite place to be is right here. Not thinking about what brings me down, yeah. My favorite way to be without fear is in the now. I'm learning how. Fast life, no thanks, no I'm doing just.
We use the coconut oil from Costco. You know, we're Costco babies. And then we'll start with our garlic. The first thing that we will do is the plain kimchi fried rice. While our garlic is browning, we will put the white part of the onions.
Enjoying my freedom, singing off key. I like it better when.
Since our garlic has browned, we're ready to put our rice. Notice that the rice is not clumping together because the rice has lost moisture and it was dried up for about 4 hours to 8 hours. And then we will add the green onion and the cilantro. Alright. And of course the kimchi. And we're done. So we're doing another batch that is kimchi fried rice with pork. Now we're going to put our pork here. This is going to be fast. As soon as we see that our pork is going pale, and a little bit crispy, we're good. Let's lower the temperature a little bit. Let's put a little bit of salt here. And a little bit of fish sauce. So we are going to do another set, which is the shrimp. We want to make sure that the shrimp turn orange, then it's good to put the rice in. Ooh, I have 2 eggs in this one.
Oh, cool.
It's time to plate. Put this here.
My favorite place to be is right here. Not thinking about what brings me down, yeah. My favorite way to be without fear is in the now. I'm learning how. Fast life, no thanks, no, I'm doing just fine. One foot in another, floating, enjoying my freedom, singing off.
That tastes really good. Plus, she added pork. One more bite, one more. The egg is like the sauce to the whole thing. Adds a depth in flavor.
You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane, and it's bubbling over like a sweet champagne.